Hi, this is Kathleen Arthur again, and I'm on the third floor of the Russell Building, and I have seen all of the legislative aides on floors 1 through 3, and I have played them the clip of the social worker right to life federal case number 15-55563, and I have given them the news article, the one and only news article about our social workers' right to lie case. This case is one step away from the Supreme Court. And the question is, do social workers have the constitutional right to lie? And if they plant evidence and lie, are they immune from this or not? This is being heard in our federal court. The closing arguments have been done, and now they are awaiting the decision. If the federal court decides to go ahead and allow this, that means that our social workers, they're going to set the precedent all over America that the social workers have the constitutional right to lie, commit perjury, plant evidence, and take your child. That is exactly what this case is about. There has been one news article on this issue. This is a fundamental right to parent issue, and our news medias are not doing a good job on it. Our news medias have turned into a gossip column. I'm surrounded by them here. They're all over the place. And what are they covering? They're covering Donald Trump. They're covering Hillary Clinton. But they're not covering the fact that our government is stealing our children and have the right to lie. They have the right to take our children, and we have no recourse because the social workers are immune. So I've gone to all the senators on the first, second, and third floor in the Russell Building, and they are appalled. I played them the clip on the right to lie case, which is a federal case, one step away from the Supreme Court. None of them have even heard of this. They're relying on their news from the media, who's covering gossip, but they're not covering real news that's going to affect people. And so anyway, so that's why I'm here. I have to play them from Washington. I have the federal court case clip, and I've got the news article, and I'm going door to door, and they are horrified. They cannot believe it, and they can't believe they haven't heard of this. So I'm going to keep going on it, and I'm going to report some real news. Not how Trump's doing today, not how Hillary is doing today. I'm going to report stuff like, do social workers have the constitutional right to lie and plant evidence to take your children? Boy, that's a federal court case issue. It's gotten that bad to where hearsay, which is allowed in family court, has evolved into a right to lie for social workers and plant evidence. So that's real news, and that's what I'm going to be here taking care of. It's my only mission. I've come with a big problem, but I have two solutions that will take care of it. Number one is we must remove hearsay for family court. Hearsay is not allowed in federal court or in criminal court, but hearsay, which is basically the right to lie, is allowed in family court, and that has evolved into this horrific situation where now social workers are they're targeting poor children who qualify for 4E and disabled for removal from their home and adoption. It's a form of legal kidnapping. So I'm here. I got one more floor to do. I'm going to do the heart tomorrow probably. But anyway, I'm mad as hell, and I'm going to get this out to them, and we got to stop them from being able to steal our children. So I'm still working. Well, see you later. Bye.